What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here, where data empowers true potential and I show you the power of your numbers. So in today's video, I am going to talk about Poshmark offer to likes. I tried a new strategy last month and I'm going to compare my data and show you the results and tell you my strategy I'm going to be using moving forward. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining. I am a reseller on Poshmark and on eBay, and I also have a degree in mathematics and 3 dashboards available for the reseller to be able to look at their numbers and pivot their business, look at their data to make choices about how strategies they're using, things that they're sourcing. I show you in my videos how to do this, and in today's video, I'm going to show you an offer to like strategy that I tried out and how I look at it to decide what worked, what didn't work, and what I'm going to be doing moving forward. So if you like content like that, do make sure to subscribe, hit that little bell notification so you get notified when new content comes out, and give me a like on the way out. Let me know also what strategy are you guys using, and if you have any questions around the offer to like strategy that Poshmark has, things that you've tried or things that you'd like me to try and do some analytics around. So let's jump right into it. What did I do? So starting in, I'm filming this, it is the middle of October. In September, I chose not to send out any offer to likes. So Poshmark has a strategy. You can send out an offer. You have to do a shipping discount with it, but you have to do it one by one. I have 900 active listings. This is very time consuming. So I decided in September to be like, I'm not going to do it. What's going to happen? So I'm going to show you, let's jump right into it. I am going to show you my Poshmark data. All right, so if you are new to this channel, what you are looking at is the Sarah Styles Sales Analytical Sales Dashboard for the Poshmark Sales Report. You simply copy and paste, you export your Poshmark Sales Report, you copy and paste it into here, and all of the charts that I'm going to show you are going to populate. It's very easy, it's a one-time fee. And what I like about this is you can look at different scenarios. On one side, you can see over here, I have August 2020 data, and I'm comparing it now to my September 2020 data. I can run different scenarios, look at different data as I see fit, as I want to look at. And so like I told you, in September over here, you can see I did the first day or two, I did send out offer to like. So full disclaimer, I didn't start the strategy until a day or two in. So I do have 2% offer to like strategies. But after the first day or two, I decided to do this strategy. And you can see my offer to like. So in August 2020 over here, I had 12% of offer to likes were accepted. Other offers count as people sending me an offer or counter offering my offer that I sent them. And then buy it now is strictly people buying it now. So a couple things I want to point out is obviously my offer to like percent is lower, right? I didn't send out offers. It's hard for them to accept. However, my buy it now is higher. I'm finding people are buying things or depending on your inventory, this is going to be different for everybody, but depending on what you have, people were buying things that I may have sent out an offer to and, preemptively sent out an offer when they would have bought it flat out. The other thing that I would like to touch on too is, so I like to look at these strategies. I also want to look at my average sale price. So I'm sending out these different offers. I'm trying these different strategies. And yes, in August, hands down, it's true, offer to likes worked. I got 12% of my sales that way, where September I didn't do it. Obviously, I wasn't getting sales that way. But bottom line, what did it do for my revenue? And that's why I look at my average sale price. Bundles, I'm going to skip that for the sake of this video, but if you want to see more videos on different things that I'm looking at, as in bundles and other strategies, definitely make sure to subscribe. So offer to likes, when I was sending out offers, my offer to likes was $36. Here, my offer to likes were $33. Now this, I only sent out a couple offers. So this average sale price here for those offers is going to be skewed a little bit because there was only a couple of them sent out. But my other offers, so $27 average sale price the month before. So when I was sending out offers, I was still getting Other offers were $27. They were about $2 lower when I was not sending out offers. So people were sending me about $2 lower an item. My buy it now, however, was significantly higher. So something to note too is the inventory that you have on hand. In September, I purchased a palette. I was getting a lot of free people into my closet. That has a little bit to do with my buy it nows, but I was also noticing that I was getting people buying things higher that I probably would have sent an offer, waiting for them to do it. So let me tell you a little bit about the strategies that I was doing in August when I sent out offer to likes. I was sending out offer to likes every single night. I would go through my offer to likes and I would send out every evening, I would go through my offers and I would go through my likes and send out an offer ranging from 20 to 30% to anyone who had liked an item that day. That took me roughly 30 minutes to an hour. To break it down, just for the ease of math, that's 30 minutes a day for 31 days in October. That would have been 15 hours I spent just sending out offers. Now let's see if that's worth it. You can see the different percent split outs here, but let's really look at the numbers. How did this impact my sales? So you can see over here on the left, and I will say, so when you pull the Poshmark Sales Report, it gets put in based off of when you get paid out. And so you can see here, this is my August Poshmark Sales Report, and I do have a few payouts that happened in August, but they were actually made in July because there's, it has to get shipped and then it gets paid out. So for the sake of this video, those are included in my August numbers. So in August, when I was doing every single night, I was spending 15 hours for a month, 15 hours sending out offer to likes. I made 82 sales for approximately, for $2,200-ish. In September, I did not send out an offer. Minus the first 2 days, I did not send out an offer at all. I saved 15 hours of time sitting there on my phone, sending out offers. And what happened? I made 81 sales. So one sale less. Is that one sale enough for me to spend 15 hours sending out offers? I don't think so. The other thing, let's look at the money, the monetary value of that as well. So you're looking at roughly $2,300, roughly $2,300. So from a money perspective, I made about the same amount of money, but I saved myself 15 hours. Y'all, like 15 hours, that is ridiculous. Now, granted, I was doing this at night, but you want to know, let's talk a little bit about what I was doing during those 15 hours that impacted my business and allowed me to grow my business even more. And then also just spend time with my husband. We started Schitt's Creek. Have you guys watched Schitt's Creek? Leave a note down below on your favorite Netflix bingeable shows. That's one of the things that I love to do. And this 15 hours allowed me to spend more time with my kids and with my husband. And it also allowed me, so now what I'm going to show you, now what we're looking at, this is the cross-listing sales dashboard. So cross-listing, Sarah Styles cross-listing dashboard. So if you sell on multiple platforms and you are willing to, so you have to track all of your data, right? I'm tracking my data in here. Let me pull just this screen up for you guys. There we go. All right. So if you are okay tracking your data, I do when I buy something, I put it in here. When I sell something, I put it in here. So it does take a few minutes to do that, but then I'm able to see all of this. And like I said, all of these are for sale in the link down below, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notifications if you like to see strategies and the data that is actually backing them. If there's ideas that you have for me to try out too, go ahead and leave those in the notes down below or send me a DM. So let's look at this. We're looking at, this is on all platforms now. So I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and I dabble in a couple others. We'll take a look at that. what happened? I had 15 extra hours. So I was able to source more. I was able to list more. I was able to spend more time on eBay, running sales, looking at promoted listings, sending out offers there, doing little tips and tricks on eBay to be able to get more sales over there. My revenue for the month, so I was about on par. Poshmark was about the same, but I saved 15 hours. I'm up almost $3,000 because I was able to spend my time elsewhere to increase my sales all the way, increase my total sales. I'm also up 8% sell-through rate, which is just ridiculous. Quickly, we'll go over and look at eBay. So this breaks out your platforms as well. And so eBay for, let me make sure I have the right days. So we're looking at the current 28 days. eBay compared to Poshmark, I am slowly starting to learn eBay better, spend a bit more time on eBay. It's a broader audience. You have more, I can edit a listing in 2 minutes. I can do a sale in 2 minutes. It doesn't take me a half an hour to send offer to likes. I can do that in 30 seconds. So I can spend my time a bit wiser on eBay. And that's kind of what I did in September, is figure out, okay, let me save time on offer to likes and put it elsewhere in eBay and see what that did for me. So you can see here, my eBay sales were double my Poshmark sales because I was able to spend more time on that business. My eBay sales are getting better and better because I'm able to spend more time on eBay and not spend time on strategies such as this. I also was able to build a course. So I have a lot of people ask me questions. What do I look at? How do I look at this? And I want to build a course. You can watch the YouTube videos, but I also want a really compact course to be able to show you guys how to empower yourselves with your numbers. It's been on the back burner for a long time, but I had 15 extra hours this month, so I was able to build a course. I'm all about being more efficient. Time is money, and I talk about this in the course, how to figure out where to put your time. So that's what happened, the offer to like strategy. On that note, this month I am actually going to, and let me come back to this is my sales strategy. So this is Poshmark. I'm going to look at Poshmark again. This is August. I actually want to, sorry guys, bear with me. I do want to look at September because that is the most recent data. And I'm going to look at my daily charts. So you can see in here in September when I made the most sales, Saturday and Sunday. So the month of September, I'm going to try sending out offers Saturday night so that they have them on Poshmark. They have them for 24 hours. So I'm going to send them out Saturday night. Sunday has been my best sales day, hoping that maybe is sending out offers, spending my time wisely, only doing it one time a week to see if if I can increase my sales from September to October. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification so when I put out the video on what happened in October when I do that new strategy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely make sure to check out the rest of my videos, and have a good day.